In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a freeze frame project in InVideo. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and the image you want to use saved on your computer. The freeze frame option in InVideo lets you create a striking still moment from your photo using AI, and the process is quick once you know where to click. Start by logging into your InVideo account. Once you're in, head to the section labeled Agents and Models. You'll typically find this in the main navigation, either on the left sidebar or at the top, depending on your layout. This area is where InVideo groups together its AI-powered features, so it's the perfect place to explore different creative tools. Next, click on See All to expand the full catalog. This gives you a complete view of everything available, not just the featured items. We're looking for freeze frame. If you don't spot it right away, scroll through the list slowly and look for a tile or card labeled freeze frame. Some interfaces also include a search bar at the top. Typing freeze frame, there can be a quick shortcut to find it. Once you've found freeze frame, click on New Project. This opens a clean workspace dedicated to this tool. Think of it as your project canvas, where the only thing you need to provide is your image and a bit of patience while the AI does the rest. Now it's time to upload your picture. Click the Upload area and choose your image from your device. For best results, use a clear, well-lit photo. Standard formats like JPG or PNG work well, and a higher resolution image will typically produce a crisper result. If your image takes a moment to load, that's normal. Just let it finish before moving on. With your image in place, click Generate. This is where InVideo's AI analyzes your photo and creates the freeze frame effect. Processing time can vary depending on the image size and server load, so give it a moment. You'll see progress indicators or a brief loading screen. When it's done, your freeze frame will appear right in the preview area. And that's the entire workflow. Log in, go to Agents and Models, hit See All, find freeze frame, start a new project, upload your picture, and click Generate. If you want to experiment later, you can repeat the same steps with different images to compare results. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your freeze frame in InVideo.